Me people them na salon. Me famble them na the Sierra Leone People's Party, one country, one people. I bring una greetings. Then we respective delegates them way they don't select for going at the delegate conference in December. And then one that we supposed for elect the other delegates them from district to regional to young generation to women's leader to the chairman election. We not do the election the 8th. I want to talk to una today. This is one brief message I want to bring to una. Me na una brother Alex Bonafa Esquire, the lead contender in the race for the position of national chairman Sierra Leone People's Party. I don't notice this behind and say plenty fet day per the delegates convention where they go on for elect the people that will for be delegates them. And this one no feedback the Sierra Leone People's Party what we sabi. Now for sake of this make I dey bring this short message to una because I know say tomorrow when I Saturday and the other Saturday we get crucial election then. I believe say we not for make yuki per then election ya so and we not for make fet because the delegates them suppose for listen to the candidates them, whether not for chairman, whether not for women's leader, whether not for young generation, whether not for whichever position. Let them listen to their candidates here and make their decision for the good of the Sierra Leone People's Party. And not go feedback we for make with the fact amongst yourself for sake of delegate election. So I talk to una today. The one that will get for do election at East Urban for the district chairmanship. The one that will get for do election at West District for the chairmanship them and the other executive positions. The one that will do election for the West Rural District tomorrow. And the one that will do election at the other district them, we get Kono District, Bombali District, Tonkolili District, Kenima District. At the big God, make we do them in the name of the Sierra Leone People's Party and make we exercise enough restraint for make nothing not provoke we for going to violence, for talk bad thing but to compete them, and for talk bad thing about political party. Uno members say this political party again law them with scanga. If people them not exercise restraint and use the appropriate channel, they choose for take the law at their own hand, the law go bet them. Now for this make I say make I talk to una today. And for wish una all good luck. I don't know who that in the contest, but I know say na SLPP people in the contest. I want for wish una all good luck. Let the best people them win, and the people that way they serve the community well, let them win, and the people that way get good heart and the sense for push this party go before, make them win. When una win done, then we can talk to una. We will give una the vision. We go care SLPP go before. We will give una the vision. We go make this party continue for staying in power for the longest time. Apart from that, me, Alex Bonafa, the lead contender inside this race here, not dey support violence. I not dey support anybody for cause problem for the election the way they take place. I want for big una today, in the name of God, in the name of we forefathers them, we think about forming the Sierra Leone People's Party for make we exercise restraint. Elect person provoke we, make we exercise restraint, make we go through this election quietly. This election, not to do or die. Would that win? Now for can serve the party. So do ya. Let we not begin fight early amongst ourselves. We go make the fight difficult tomorrow. We will reach by election. We will talk to a company for all come together. Because what is supreme now? Now the SLPP, now unity. And that unity so now will be fight for. Today I come back to una. Me and Alex Bonafa. The unity we una all defend. The candidates where they come for unite the party and give the party vision for follow the president in direction we want for take the party. Thank you very much. God bless you and God bless the Sierra Leone People's Party. One country, one people.